Okay, this is the next lesson, decimals, fractions, and percents. As I said, in these lessons, I will not be writing them out because we've done these already. I will just make a couple comments as I go along very quickly. I will give you a chance to, you can stop these at any time. Make sure that you write all of these down. In this first example here, just be careful. Notice for this 1/8, I did the fraction part of it. Then just make sure that you add the 4.125. So for changing fractions to decimals, make sure that you put the top number inside the fraction, inside the fraction symbol, and the other number outside. Next, when changing from a fraction to a percent, again, divide it. And then when you divide, move the fraction 2 spots over. For this one, New York State will also accept 16.6 repeating percent if you forget that 0.6 repeating is 2/3. Again, on this one, 1/2 is what I divided to change into a decimal. I brought my 3 down, then moved it over twice. So just remember that as well. Okay. The next question, pretty self-explanatory on this one. Okay. Decimals to percents, just move it over twice, add the percent sign. And again, for this one, New York State will accept either one. If you move it over, add the percent sign, just make sure you have the bar over it. Okay. Next, changing a decimal to a fraction, put the number over its place value and then simplify. And do these for all of them. The next one, change percent to a fraction, drop the percent sign, put the number over its place value, and then simplify. This one, ladies and gentlemen, is a mistake, so let me fix that right away. And we talked about this one in class. This one, remember, is 0.8 over 100. And we've got to get rid of that decimal, so we are going to multiply both the top and the bottom by 10 to get 8 over 1,000, because you can't have that decimal in the numerator. Now we can simplify, because both top and bottom can be divided by 8, and that equals 1 over 125. Okay. And last, changing a percent to a decimal. Just drop the percent sign, move the decimal 2 places over to the left. Notice this one, guys, even though there's only one spot, you still have to move it twice. Create a spot and then add a 0. And that ends the lesson.